Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a serious topic: the dangers of taking castor oil for your health. While it might be popular for various home remedies, castor oil can actually pose some significant risks if not used properly. And although some on social media are recommending it for everything from lowering your cholesterol to breaking up tumors, stick around to learn what you need to know to stay safe. Before we get started, we want to hear from you. Do you use castor oil? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health updates and tips. Plus, check out the affiliate link in the description for some great deals on vitamin needs. Let's get into it. No, castor oil is not going to fix all of your health issues. Some TikTokers swear on an oil that can potentially cause skin rashes, stomach problems, and eye problems. What's in everything from body soap and skincare products to high-gloss paint and motor fuel? It's called castor oil, a yellowish, odorless fluid derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis, or blooming castor bean plant. You won't find castor oil in the same aisles as other cooking oils at your supermarket store, despite the fact that it is legally a vegetable oil. Although food-grade castor oil is occasionally used as a flavoring or additive, such as in some sweets and chocolates, it is generally not regarded as edible oil. Castor oil is the subject of false and perhaps harmful claims made by TikTokers these days, claiming that it may improve vision and give lustrous hair, among other things. Some even go so far as to say that using castor oil on your stomach would help your gut. However, be skeptical of anything you read or see on social media, particularly when it comes to purported health and wellness advice. Kevin Hopkins, MD, a family medicine doctor, goes over some of the castor oil claims and what you should try in its place. Do the health benefits of castor oil apply? Let's address this straight away. Dr. Hopkins asserts that there is absolutely no need to use castor oil, despite the internet's insistence to the contrary. To be very honest, in all the years I've been practicing, I've never told anyone about it. For constipation, use castor oil. Castor oil's only accepted medical application is as a natural laxative to relieve mild constipation, according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Ricinoleic acid, found in castor oil, binds to your intestines and triggers contractions of the muscles that facilitate bowel movements. Not so quickly though. While excessive castor oil consumption might result in chronic, long-term, constipation, short-term use of the oil can induce severe diarrhea. In actuality, castor oil's use as a laxative has declined. For over 50 years, doctors haven't actually advised castor oil for constipation because there are so many other, more effective, and less harmful treatments available. Castor oil for promoting childbirth. Castor oil has long been used as a home remedy to encourage labor. In a study conducted as recently as 2018, over 300 pregnant women who consumed a castor oil cocktail, typically a few tablespoons of oil mixed with juice, found that 91% of them delivered their babies vaginally with little to no problems. It is not, however, without risk. Diarrhea and upset stomach are known to be brought on by castor oil, which is the last thing you want during childbirth. More seriously, castor oil has been linked to accelerated contractions and reduced infant blood flow. Castor oil for labor should never be taken without the advice and assistance of your healthcare provider. Hair castor oil. There is no proof to support the claims made by some individuals that applying pure castor oil to their hair will cause it to grow more quickly and appear shinier. Data supporting the claim that putting pure castor oil on your hair encourages growth is lacking. A product that might be worth a shot is rosemary oil, which has been demonstrated by science to promote hair growth. Castor oil for healthy eyes. Some people believe that castor oil can help maintain healthy eyes because of a rumor that Cleopatra used it to brighten the whites of her eyes. Supporters assert that it has the ability to treat glaucoma and enhance vision. These assertions are all without merit. As a matter of fact, applying castor oil to your eyes might have unfavorable effects such as burning, discomfort, blurriness, and even chemical burns to your eyes. How about packing with castor oil? A castor oil pack, which is essentially a towel soaked in castor oil, is applied to the skin by some social media users, while others claim to rub castor oil straight into their stomach or into their belly button. They say it helps with digestion, clears the skin, eases cramps, and generally detoxifies the body. There is zero scientific evidence to support the benefits of these practices. Simply put, there isn't a magic bullet that can detox your body. Is castor oil safe to consume? Recall our earlier statement that castor oil is not regarded as edible oil. That ought to be all the information you require. Severe diarrhea and cramping in the intestines are documented side effects of castor oil, which can potentially result in hazardous dehydration. It's not something most healthcare professionals will advise using, but it shouldn't be taken without their advice. Castor oil has the potential to induce early contractions in expectant mothers. Blood thinners, diuretics, and antibiotics are among the drugs that castor oil may interact adversely with. Castor oil can exacerbate conditions related to the gastrointestinal tract, such as appendicitis, inflammatory bowel disease, and other conditions. In the end, almost all of the assertions made regarding castor oil's health advantages are unfounded or unsubstantiated. Castor oil is simply unnecessary for anything pertaining to your health and well-being. Every time someone on social media says you can use castor oil, there are safer and more effective scientifically established alternatives. That's it for today's video on the dangers of taking castor oil for your health. We hope you found this information helpful and eye-opening. If you use castor oil or have any experiences with it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and updates. And be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description below for some great deals on products we recommend. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and healthy. See you in the next video.